Today we have an amazing person, my friend Nitya Rangarajan here, an author, a motivator speaker, and one of the best persons I've ever known, and that is Nitya.
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much, Uma, for this opportunity.
So towards end, I just want to ask if you could leave with any message with the mother.
I would always advocate for self care for mothers. Proactively, consciously do that. Take that as one of your most important tasks and do it in the morning. Start it in the morning, I would say. And please pursue your hobbies. Please don't leave them because that is one thing that we always ignore. It is not given importance. But this hobbies, no, whatever hobbies we have, some others in my community, they are very good artists. They do mandala art, neuro art, and many other things they do. So that hobby actually makes them feel less stressed, and the guilt also goes off when they draw that mandala art. So they know all these beautiful things, but they are not practicing. So I keep reminding them that they have to do something from their hobbies also, so that you feel happy. Hobbies are there to keep us happy, no? So let's do that. Let's be happy. Why do we have to be sad always? No, no guilt,
We
nothing.
don't have to be sad at all. In fact, we have to be happy. That's what we are born for as
Yeah.
human. We took this avatar of this body and everything. We came into this after as in, our culture we learn. After so many janams, we come to this body of a human being, not to suffer, not to be grudged. In fact, we came here to be happy. And everyone, please, those who are listening, please listen to two women who are having this conversation about being happy, and we all want you to be happy, especially the moms. They deserve to be happy. You know, so as Nitya is saying, you deserve to be happy. Everyone deserves to be happy, but especially if there is a young mom in your life, please help her become happy because that is what she deserves. What is it that, like, last message, Nitya? What is it that you want to tell everyone?
Definitely, definitely. As mothers, when we can create life, don't you think we can create the life we want? It's as simple as that. We are creators, no? We give birth to children. And what is a big deal in creating a life that you want? So the major point here is you have to be clear with what you want, and that should be your priority from now on. And after that, you will be able to, once you prioritize, you'll be able to plan well for that and focus on that activity. So please be proactive when it comes to yourself. You deserve that undivided attention. You deserve that happiness. And you are a creator, so you can definitely create a life you want. So, mothers, you should make promise to yourself that you will be happy from now on, no matter what. That's my message.
Yes, so wonderful, everyone, and wonderful message, Nitya. So, all the moms and all those young people who are aspiring to be mom or who have been mom, but who are unhappy, who are feeling unfulfilled lives, or even if not, you're feeling unsatisfied, you're feeling something lacking. Please go ahead and take care of your life because self care is not selfish, as Nitya is saying. And also, besides that, it is your right. It is absolute right to be happy for everybody, whether you're a mother, whether you're a grandmother. Being a woman itself is such a beautiful thing. And let's acknowledge that we are entitled to live a beautiful, happy lives, and let's go ahead and do that. And not only that, I also recommend that, we always have to be motivated. We always have to take initiative. We always must be doing something new every day. And as Nitya is saying, we will not find time and one go hours to do anything. We can block time, we can learn time. If we do not know time management, please go ahead and learn it. If you do not know anything, if you do not know how to be happy, just go ahead and learn it. There are people out there who will be happy with you, to really teach you, to really share with you. And we are trying to create these communities through these programs and be part of these communities. Select your own community. Go ahead and find people. Today, this is the beauty of this online thing that we can find those communities. Both me and Nitya, we are part of that beautiful community of India Authors Academy. And from there, we are learning to grow, expand our life. So don't shrink it in the small complaints, begrudging, hurt, sharing, guilt, those emotions, but expand your life. So thank you so much, Nitya. Thank you for being here. And let's have more such moms taken care of by you, and let's have more such programs. Yeah. So
Thank you so much, Soma.
thank you. Thank you so much.